Alrighty, guys. Yes, look at this. Fairly new, right? Looks damn good. Okay. In fact, too good to be in a shop. Well, let me tell y'all, show y'all why it's in. All right. Now, this is one good reason why you should likely get you one of those sun visory thingies. Okay. Look at this, guys. Yes. When this happened, when heat get a hold of this, oh my goodness. Yes, we're in the process of actually replacing this IP instrument panel. This thing go by a number of different names, okay? However, all of this got to come out. Now, I'm in the repair industry, okay? And this is no fun for the mechanic, and it's definitely no fun for a paying customer. However, if you don't protect your dash from that scorching sun, this could happen. I'm going to tell you another reason why this could happen. Simply cheap material. Now, I can't voice. It's not, who am I to determine which one caused this? Okay, I don't know. I'm in the repair industry. My job is to figure out what's wrong with a vehicle and make the necessary repairs. Okay, I will leave this part to the boss, the engineers, to anybody that want to figure out and analyze this to see if it's of high quality enough to withstand this happening again. All right, that part is not my job. I have a more challenging job of getting it out, getting it fixed. In fact, let me show y'all what my job will consist of on this particular vehicle. We're gonna go over here. Ooh, from this angle right here. Yeah, that looks terrible. Okay, you don't want your brand. Look at this. You don't want your good-looking vehicle riding around with a. Okay, let's see how it look. Okay, really mainly on the passenger side. All right, let me show you something what this job will entail. Okay, now y'all see this? Yes, typical. A new one, basically. Okay, yeah. Now, will this one withstand the scorching hot torture of the sun? Perhaps. All right. Did the car maker make it from using better material? Perhaps. Again, I don't know because that is not of my concern. All right. Yes, I'm sorry. I know that sounds insensitive to you guys that have to pay to get this fixed, but yeah, I have one job and one job only to make the repair. And from the looks of it, I've done a few, not a lot, but you know, it's the life I chose. This is what I do for a living. So I'm going to take the whole one out, the old one out, and simply go in with a new one, guys. All right, I'm just making this sound a little bit more dramatic than it's necessary, but in order to save you some money, especially if you're out of warranty, okay, because I'm sure the basic warranty will cover this, but what does basic warranty run out? 36,000 miles? Yeah. Armor all on it to keep it lubricated and the whole 9 yard, and you likely can withstand having this problem. One more look at this thing. This is a nice looking ass truck, but this instrument, this console is a huge turn off. Okay. Anybody want to weigh in what they think happened? Woo. Woo. Okay. All right, JT, get to work. Look at everything that had to come out, all the electronics. Now y'all remember what was right here? Your whole entire electronics. Does it pay good? That's debatable, guys, depending on what your definition of good is. Okay. Yeah. So, when I'm doing one of these, let's say I'm doing an evaporator core, which is the AC unit have to come out, or a heater core, I get to find out where they hide a lot of things. Okay. Connectors and sensors. I see modules up here that I had no clue they was putting them right there. RFH hubs, BCM modules. They hide things all over. Star connectors. You know what I'm saying? I get to physically see the location of some of this stuff. So next time I have this problem, ding, 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 ding. Yeah, the Rams house that module under here. Yeah, so it's to my advantage to try to lock in. Use my memory bank and lock some of this stuff in, okay? Because you best believe if I ever have a RAM problem and I need to know very quickly, where's the BCM located? I remember when I did this panel I had to remove a bunch of stuff. Yeah. All right. Enough dwelling on this, y'all. Protect your damn panel. Use a sun visor. I'm going to make my own sun visor. I'm going to sell products of my own. But we coming up on a winter time right now, so this time next summer, you will see either a online mechanic tip sun visor or either red line news reporting sun visor. At any rate, I'm gonna make sure y'all protect y'all. Yeah. All right, I gotta go, guys. That's all I have. Thanks for watching.